Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are greatly blessed with health. And today, with the grace of Allah Almighty, we will try to do some question answers of the lesson, the parrot visit. And let's try to understand, try to do the question answer and understand them. Question number one: where did the parrot come and why? It means we have to. Where means place. Where did the parrot come? It means we have to mention the area, place, and why, and it means we have to mention the reasons. It means these questions contain two parts. In first part, we have to give the description of the area, and in the second part, we have to give the reason. Dear students, पैरेट कहाँ आया और क्यों आया? Here is some hints that will help us to write the answers. Dear students, make sure that you have to write the answer in your own wording and making the proper sentences. These are some hints. You have to write the complete and proper sentences by using these hints. The parrot came to the forest. It means this is the answer of first part of the question. And why? For visiting the forest and seeing the different animals and birds of the forest. I repeat the answer. The parrot came to forest for visiting the forest and seeing the different animals and birds of the forest. Question number 2. Where does the frog live and what does it eat? फ्रॉग कहाँ रहता है और वो क्या खाता है और ये क्या खाता है? It means in the first part we have to mention the place of living of the frog, and in the second part we have to mention the edible items of the frog. Frog lives in a nice wet pond. Frog eats flies or insects. In the book, we can see that there is a mention. Frog said that I live in a nice wet pond and lots of flies are there to eat. But we will write in our own words and hope you will also do. Question number. While sharing a good thing. Sharing is a good thing. Why? We have to give the reasons. It develops love. Sharing a good thing is because it develops love. It builds good relationship. It increases teamwork. It reduces burden and divides our work. It develops caring for others. Dear students, you can increase the reasons while sharing a good reason. You may write different reasons. It depends on you. Who lives in a stable and who is the king of the forest? And what was the contribution of the lion? Dear students, this question contains three parts. First, we have to tell who lives in a stable. Definitely answer is horse. Horse live in a stable. Who is the king of the forest? You know it's better answer. And what was the contribution of the lion? Lion pick the nest with its claws, yes, and put the nest on the back of the frog. In short, he took part in all activities and worked hard with others. Dear students, this question contains three parts. Stable में कौन रहता है? Stable के stable mean stable. In English we can say that a place where the horses are kept. In the second part, who is the king of the forest? Definitely answer is lion. And what was the contribution of the lion in the lesson? Lion picked the nest with its claws. Lion ने अपने पंजों से नेस्ट घोंसले को पकड़ा एंड पुट द नेस्ट ऑन द बैक ऑफ द फ्रॉग और फ्रॉग की कमर पर रख दिया. इन शार्ट मुख्तसरन हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ही टुक पार्ट इन ऑल एक्टिविटीज़. उसने तमाम सरगर्मियों में तमाम कामों में हिस्सा लिया और दूसरों के साथ मेहनत की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राइट 3 ways to help others. It means we have to write some ways. We have to describe how can we help others. We can help others in different ways, but here are some hints that will help us to write. हम दूसरों की किस तरह मदद कर सकते हैं. Helping others in problem, मुश्किलात में उनकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं. Making others happy by sharing good ideas. Yes, we can help others by sharing good ideas. Sharing things or money to the needy people. Yes, we can help the people also in this way. दूसरों से अपने पैसे चीज़ें शेयर करके भी दूसरों की मदद कर सकते हैं. Reducing the burden and dividing the world. कुछ लोगों पर बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन होता है, उनके काम में हिस्सा डालकर उनके काम को कम कर या उनके काम में पार्टिसिपेट करके. By helping others in solving their problems. Yes, we can help others. If a student, dear student, if you're any class fellow having the problem, if you help others in solving their problem, it's also kind of the help. Dear students, hope you will able to do all the question answers easily and you will just make your sentences in a good way. Thank you.